So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nandit Suresh. So today I'm going to talk about how to download GTA San Andreas, the files of full completed missions and cheat codes for GTA San Andreas. So for these all the files you are going to have to go to the link in the description. So first we are going to download GTA San Andreas files. So you have to click on the link in the description. So you will be taken to a place called techylist.com. So you have to download the file which comes first. Download original APK. So first you have to download that, and then you have to download the third file called download OBB file. After downloading both of these files, you have to go to Play Store and then download Z-Archiva. So after that you are gonna have to download the missions file skip. That also will be given in the description. Then you have after clicking on the link in the description, you will be taken to a place called All Missions Pass GTA San Andreas Android by Technical World. So you have to download that file by clicking here. Then you have to wait for that file to download, and then after that you have to download the Clio Modes GTA San Andreas. That also will be given in the link. Then you are gonna have to go to download. So after that you are going to see two files called GTA Grand Theft Auto San Andreas version 2.00 techylist.com.apk, and then another file called GTA San Andreas version 2.00 techylist.com zip. Both of those files. First you have to download GTA San Andreas. That you have to download by clicking on GTA San Andreas version 2.00 or long press. After that you will see a place called like this. So I already expressed this file. So for you guys, there will be if you need, you can also click compress too. After clicking that, you will see a place like this. Then you have to give OK, and then the extracting begins. So I don't need that, so I cancelled it. Then you have to extract. Then you will get a file called com.rockstargames.gtsa. You have to long press that and then cut it. You have to cut that file and then paste that in Android data. You have to paste that file in OBB. I already pasted that, so it's gonna be here. Then you can have your GTA San Andreas. Then you are going to have, for downloading cheat codes and Clio modes and all, you have to go to the same place, downloads, and then you have to extract this file called GTA San Andreas version 2.00 Clio plus scripts. First you have to extract that file, compress, and it will start expressing. So I don't need that, so I cancelled it. Then you will get a file called GTA San Andreas version 2.00 Clio plus scripts. You have to click on that. Then you will see GTA San Andreas version 2.00 Clio.apk. Then you have to click on script. Actually there are gonna be a ton of files. So I already cut and pasted that for playing GTA San Andreas. So you will be having a ton of files. I'll be showing all these file names. You have to go to device memory, Android, data, then com.rockstar. These are the files like amazing camera, bodyguard, change car color, all these things. Like there are gonna be a ton of files like this. You have to cut all the files from the download, Clio scripts. Then click on script. From there you have to extract. The files are gonna be here. After cutting that file, you are going to have to paste it in Android data. Go to Rockstar and then paste here. you will have your Clio modes installed. Before that, for downloading the full file of Clio modes, you have to come here, long press here, then you have to rename your game, because we are going to have to download another GTA San Andreas for Clio modes. So when you have to rename, because if you have played it and if you didn't rename your game, most of your data are gonna be deleted. So for nothing to happen, we have to rename. You can plus 1, 2, 3, anything you can add. So then you are going to have to also do the same thing in OBD. You have to rename the file. You can add 1, 2, 3 or anything. Then you have to go to the same place, download and Clio plus scripts. You have to click on that. Then you will see another GTA San Andreas version 2.0 Clio APK. You have to download that by just clicking here and install, which is over here. You have to install that. So after that, we are gonna have to finish. We need the files for finishing all missions. So that also will be given in the link in the description. That's gonna be a file called like this. Just the name is gonna be files. If you check it in download, it's gonna be there. I already cut and pasted, so it's gonna be. So the thing what you're gonna have to do is, it will be in download. It's gonna be here called files. You have to long press that. Then you are going to have to cut it. So I already did. I don't need to cut. Then you are gonna have to go to device memory, Android, data, and then you have to paste that file in COM.RAW, the file which you renamed. Don't paste it in OBB. You have to paste it in data and then paste that files there. Then you are all good to go. So I'll be also showing you how to play GTA San Andreas and how to make that Clio modes work.
Gonna have to click there. Then your game may start loading. You have to wait. Then you have to click offline, resume, and then your game starts perfectly fine. Then you will have your Clio mode. I was playing it recently and I fell into a cockpit. So you can go for disabling cost. You can go to cheat. Then click on not wanted. So I'm not going to be wanted anymore. Now you can also do a cheat called vehicle fly. You can make your vehicles fly. Then also you can do another thing called, you can spawn many vehicles, and if you wish to play some missions, you can just go here. You have to swipe the screen. Then you can click on mission select. You can do any missions like this.
You want to try?